So yesterday you read the book Now and Ben, The Modern Inventions of Benjamin Franklin. And you worked on the skill, compare, and contrast. So good readers think about how details are similar to and different from other details. To think about the details in a selection like this, or the book that we read yesterday, is to compare and contrast. You can compare and you can contrast characters, you can compare and contrast settings and events. And you can also compare how events from the past are connected to today. Hopefully yesterday you thought about what events from the past are connected to events that are happening today. So you filled out this graphic organizer, then you compared and contrasted then and now, and then how they were the same is comparing. Okay, so you contrasted then and now, and that's finding the differences, and then comparing is finding the similarities. So our skills compare and contrast, but the strategy to help us with that skill is to visualize. So as you're reading, you're picturing in your mind what is happening. It's kind of like there's this movie that's playing across in your mind. You're visualizing, you're picturing in your mind what is happening to help you understand and remember important ideas and details. So what I want you to do is make this Venn diagram. That's what it's called. Make this Venn diagram in your reading notebook. Okay, and then write then at the top and write now at the top, and then in the middle write both. And what you're going to do is compare and contrast similarities and differences between in the past to what it is like today as I am reading this story or this text. Okay, so the one you read yesterday was Now and Ben. The one you were reading today is Timeless Thomas. Okay, it's how Thomas Edison changed our lives. Okay, so go ahead and pause this video so that you can make the Venn diagram in your reading notebook.